Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. The best vantage point. When stepping onto uncharted territory and change comes knocking at your door, believe in the inevitable process that the journey will get better and better. The unknown is the best vantage point for positive change. And when you declare positive change in the midst of uncertainty and doubt, you change your path into inevitable success, joy, and gratification. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And I believe this with all my heart and soul. I believe if you let go and just follow the doors open, you'll be so happy. And you'll enjoy the journey. What I've tried to stop doing is want to be at the end of the journey and just enjoy getting to it, because it's the whole part of the process, right? What's the point of the journey if there's no end? And what's the point of the end if there's no journey, right? So why don't we just enjoy everything? It's a weird human trait. A lot of people want to just be at the end of whatever they're seeking or whatever they want. They want it now instead of enjoying the journey to it. Enjoy the doors opening for you. Acknowledge them. You'll be so happy, and it'll be so gratifying when you see these doors opening and you're realizing it's just little like seeds that you're following and you're, say, picking them up or whatever. I don't know. To your goal, to your end goal. Thank you so much for listening again, and have a beautiful day.